Now we are going to learn the complete dynamics of the simple harmonic motion. So this is the concept which must be thoroughly learnt, only then we are able to understand what is simple harmonic motion. Let us imagine the pendulum, it is in the equilibrium position. So here when the pendulum, when it is in the equilibrium position, its displacement will be equal to y is equal to how much? 0. You should understand that. Are you clear? When the same pendulum, when it is displaced up to certain extent, when it reaches the maximum point, its displacement must be taken as y is equal to plus a. Are you clear? When the pendulum is here, its displacement, maximum displacement is how much? That is called amplitude. Y is equal to plus a. Understood? When it comes to the same position, again the displacement value will become 0. Are you clear? When the same pendulum, when the bar, when it reaches the negative side, that is to the maximum displacement, here the displacement value must be taken as what is this? Y is equal to minus a. Understood? So I have taught about all the displacement factors. Is it clear? In the all the three position. One is in the mean position, and also in the right extreme end, and also in the left extreme end. Now we'll concentrate on the clear velocity. Let us imagine the pendulum moves here and there. Let us imagine clear here the pendulum is here. The pendulum is in the right extreme. So what would be the velocity when it travels to this side? There it will take some, is it clear? Momentarily it will take rest. Therefore, velocity value will become 0. Velocity value will be 0. Are you clear? When it travels in this direction, it is traveling in this direction. It travels in which direction? It is traveling towards the negative side. Therefore, when the pendulum, that bar, when it comes here, the velocity value will be equal to a omega, that is maximum velocity it will attain. Since it is traveling in the negative direction, that must be taken as negative. Are you clear? Now, when the same bar pendulum, when it reaches here, here also it is momentarily it is taking rest. Therefore, the velocity value will be equal to 0. Are you clear? Again, when the pendulum travels in this direction, it is traveling towards which direction? Positive direction. So when the pendulum crosses here, again the velocity value will become, what is the value? Plus a omega. Are you clear? So the bob, that pendulum, either it will have minus a omega or plus omega when it crosses the mean position. So far I have taught about displacement and velocity of the vibrating particle, simple harmonic motion particle. Are you clear? Now it has gone here and there. Now we will see what are the acceleration values. Are you clear? So here let us imagine, so the pendulum, it is here. Are you clear? The pendulum is here. Look at the value of y. Y value is 0. That is displacement value is 0. Look at the equation. A acceleration is equal to what you have learned, minus b, is clear, and here you can write it as omega square. My a is equal to minus omega square y is the equation for simple harmonic motion. Look at the equation. A is equal to minus omega square y is the equation for simple harmonic motion. When y is equal to 0, so clear, what will happen to the acceleration? Acceleration value also becomes 0. Therefore, in the mean position, acceleration value is 0. Are you clear? So whether it is traveling in this direction or in this direction, when it crosses the mean position, acceleration value will become 0. Now, is it clear? We have to go to the right extreme end. Are you clear? When it goes to the right extreme end, what would be the acceleration value? Acceleration value will become a is equal to, clear, minus a omega square. This is the value of acceleration. It attains the maximum value. Y minus sign, because acceleration is acting towards the negative side. This bob is going to be pulled in this direction. Therefore, acceleration value becomes minus a omega square. Look at that. Displacement is also maximum and acceleration is also maximum, but velocity is 0. Here only acceleration and displacement both are 0. Are you clear? When it is traveling in this direction, finally it will reach the spot that is in the left extreme end. There we have to find out what is the acceleration value. A value, acceleration value will become plus a omega square. Are you clear? Why plus a omega square is written because that acceleration, it tries to move the body, move the particle, move the barb towards positive direction. So here acceleration, it attains a maximum value. Look at that. Here displacement is also maximum, acceleration is also maximum, but velocity is 0. Look at all the values in all the three positions: displacement, velocity and acceleration. All the values of the simple harmonic motion particle in all the three positions are clearly given in this diagram. This explanation is called as dynamics of the simple harmonic motion. Understood?